We have seen a good amount of rain across the Bay Area so far this month, or at least for parts of the Bay Area, like San Jose, the South Bay communities. You were actually slightly above average for the month of March, which was great news. You needed the rain. You were above a quarter of an inch above average. Now let's look at San Francisco. We saw slightly less rain compared to normal, slightly below average, but still pretty seasonable for the month of March. You head up even farther north, Santa Rosa, North Bay communities, you can definitely see drier than normal across the North Bay, although they did pick up rain basically every day for the past 5 days, which put them back to that closer to near normal level, but it still wasn't enough to get them back to average for the month of March. But if we take a look not just at the month of March, but at the rainy season as a whole, and the rainy season began on October 1st of 2024, they have seen a lot of rainfall, nearly 11 inches above normal since October 1st. 40 inches nearly of rain fell since that day. That is a lot of rain across our North Bay communities. They are well above average for the rainy season, while San Francisco, we're just about average. So very similar to the month of March is what we've seen basically the entire season. Slightly below average, but again, nothing too below average to make us in drought or be worried for any concerns. The biggest concern, though, is farther south. San Jose, South Bay communities. They're about 3 inches below average. They've seen less than 8 inches of rain since the rainy season began. So again, even though they were above average for the month of March, they're well below average for the rainy season as a whole. And there is rain on the way, which is good news on late Wednesday evening, but you might be wondering why. Why has the North Bay seen so much more rain than the South Bay? Well, it really all has to do with that one huge atmospheric river that we saw in late November, from November 19th to November 23rd. 5 to 15 inches of rainfall across parts of our North Bay communities. And again, remember Santa Rosa, about 11 inches above average. That was basically this storm system that really knocked it out of the park and brought them about 25% of their total yearly rainfall in just that one storm system. So it was that late November storm system that really put the North Bay communities well above average for the rainy season as a whole, while the South Bay communities and here in San Francisco, we saw anywhere from 1 to maybe 8 inches of rain. So that didn't put us over the top. It really was that November storm system that impacted the entire rainy season as a whole. So again, even though San Jose above average for the month of March, well below average for the rainy season as a whole, mainly because of this November storm system.